Hey everybody, we are back again with another fun food
Friday!
And today we are making the easiest fruit dip, but we also use graham crackers, and you can use anything else that you can think of. It's 2 ingredients and it's so delicious. So stay tuned because we are gonna make marshmallow fluff and cream cheese dip. Some people add powdered sugar, but it does not need it at all, so I wouldn't put in the extra sugar. Stay tuned. We hope you love it. Okay, that is our marshmallow yogurt dip. You can do a little less cream cheese if you want it a little sweeter, and you can always add powdered sugar if you want it sweeter. We hope you like it. Comment below and tell us what you're gonna dip inside your fruit dip, and make sure to subscribe. See you later.